Welcome to my studio. I'm Kristen with Kristen and Her Cats, where we are making life happy one creation at a time. I'm so glad y'all decided to join me and my kitty babies today as we create some happy. Today's video is part one of a two-part series showing how I created the first spread in my altered Abarat fantasy art journal. Gigabyte, also known as BooBoo GiGi, will be assisting me today as I choose some bright and grungy papers from my stash. We'll start by creating a beautifully textured background using some of the hand-dyed papers from my Cotton Candy Skies collection. Head on over to KristenandHerCats.com to get your own stash of hand-dyed papers to use in your creations. I've chosen Abarat by Clive Barker for its bright and whimsical illustrations. It makes the perfect book for my Kidcore art style, which is one of my favorite ways to create. This allows me to be completely loose and intuitive, and it keeps my spirit of childlike wonder alive. Kidcore art is bright, colorful, and cheerful. It's full of neon grunge and vibrant mixed media and displays a dreamy, carefree, and youthful vibe. Of course, things will definitely get messy before they come together to form a vibrant, happy spread. Trusting the process is essential for any art project. I'll be using a wide assortment of mixed media supplies for this spread, and you can find all these supplies listed in the description below. I hope y'all enjoy as Gigabyte and I start creating our vibrant Kidcore spread and our altered Abarat fantasy art journal. Thank y'all ever so much for creating with me today and for sticking it out to the very end. I hope y'all enjoyed following along as we started the creation of my first spread in my altered Abarat fantasy art journal. Don't forget to come back at the same time next Sunday morning at 8 a.m. when we finish up this vibrant Kidcore spread. And hit that bell icon to receive a reminder. If you liked this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up icon to show your love. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel for even more happy. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or inspiration to share. Thanks again for watching today and keep making life happy.